Zubair Kirmani displayed his fascinating collection at the Kolkata Fashion Week Chapter 2 recently. The women looked beautiful in pretty skirts and collared dresses. On the other hand, the men looked smart in chic jackets and band galas. A lot of focus was given on detailing and composition of the dresses, keeping the wearability factor alive. Frills were minimal and the models flaunted a neat and modish look.
For me, my beginning starts with fabrics. I take fabrics as a blank paper and just start working with it, and I think you have seen the collection, that's the result.